All right, welcome back to the Jason Gray Show. Like and subscribe. Let's talk about the producer price index this morning. Wow, was that some great numbers. They were anticipating an increase of 0.3% on the producer price index, and we got a negative 0.1 reading, which was amazing. Everyone is anticipating a 5.4% rating. It came in at a 4.6. Yes, 4.6 reading. That is a crazy, crazy, crazy good number in our favor. What did that do to us today? Well, helped our bond market out, helped our mortgage-backed security market out, and we saw a rate improvement this morning as well as we've seen the last couple days, right? And so this is a good sign for us. This has given the Federal Reserve an opportunity to possibly pause on some of their action. Of course, we're having some banking issues today. Credit Suisse really struggling today. The Swiss government came out and said they will back Credit Suisse in regards to making sure they're whole because they were getting a run on their money. Trust me, these are just not the only banks that are going to struggle. So be careful, be cautious. You guys know what to do on everything in regards to your banking stocks. All right, so let's talk about some other stuff. Retail sales came in low as well. Then they took a look at the Empire State Manufacturing number, came down 19 points, down to a negative 24.6. That means manufacturers are struggling right now. And so that means there's a lack of demand. And what's that going to do? It's going to roll us into a recession. Now, we talked about this before. The Federal Reserve broke us. When those banks started struggling, they broke us. And at that point in time, they're going to have to do something. I'm still going to hold to the 0.25% rate increase they're going to do next week on March 22nd. But after that, I think they're going to pause. There are talks right now that the Federal Reserve is going to have to pivot by the end of the year where they're starting to decrease short-term interest rates. If we start seeing the recession numbers, I think they're going to come into play. And again, we're talking about that May 10th through the next 4 months after that date. Those are going to be some great numbers for us. I'm really holding steady where I think mortgage rates are going to take a downward tumble. If you're in the market today, buy today because I can refinance you later. As soon as mortgage rates take a low, downturn into like the low fives, the market's going to go crazy, and it's already crazy. I have clients right now that are taking multiple offers, not getting offers accepted, and rates are in the mid 6% range right now today. That's shocking to me and you. Now, I know there are other financial advisors out there and our analysts are saying that mortgage rates are going to continue to go up. I think they're 100% wrong. I think I'm on the right side of this trade right now. So if you have any questions for me, give me a call. I'll help you get pre-approved for a home mortgage. But if you're looking to buy now. Now, let's talk about some charts. Let's look at a historical chart for you. Now, this was supplied by MBS Highway, and they had put up a good chart. This is the years-over-year numbers of increase on appreciation on housing values since 1941. That's right, 73 years they appreciated. 7 years it went down, and 1 year was a push. So take a look at your odds. Your odds are with you that the market will increase over time. So that's great news. So take that to the bank, all right? Now let's talk about the last chart. Last chart is the mortgage-backed security candlesticks. Like I said, the last 4 days have been a really big struggle in regards to it just finding its own direction. And what's happening is with the banking stocks and the banks, having these issues right now, everyone's flighting to quality. Quality is mortgage-backed securities, treasuries, all that stuff. If you've looked at the 10-year treasury market, the 2-year treasury market, those jumps are dramatic. Look at those charts. Those are great. But this is mortgage-backed security charts. Look at the far right-hand side. We're seeing some massive improvements on mortgage rates. We've probably seen an improvement on mortgage rates by about 0.5 point in 3 days, which is a big run in a matter of 3 days. Now, I think for the next 60 days, it's going to be choppy. For the next 60 days, like I said in my previous video, but the market will settle itself out, and I think we're on a really good run starting here. So if you have any questions for me, reach out to me. Thank you very much for watching our videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.